Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you guys are well. So in case you are facing any problem in your Windows 10 display, so you can watch this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your display driver in Windows 10. So for that, firstly you have to go to start, then you have to write here is device manager. Okay, then go to device manager. After coming to the device manager, you will see an option called display adapter. So this is it. Okay, this is display adapters. So as you can see, this is my display adapter is Intel HD graphics 520. So for you it can be different, it can be this well as well. So if you I used HP laptop, so that's why I have Intel. You can if you use the any laptop, then you will see your driver as well. So then you if you click on the right button, then you will see option called update driver, disable driver, or uninstall device. So you can click on update driver, or you can update the driver from properties, then click on properties. Okay, then go to drivers. Okay, then you can see the option called update driver. Okay, then click on search automatically for drivers and click on this one. So as you can see, the best drivers for your device are already installed. So for me, my laptop has already installed the driver that I need. So for you it can be different. If you face any problem, you can update this one. So I hope this will help you as well. So thanks for watching.